have completed the configuration for the GL accounts. Okay, so GL revaluation. Now let us continue the configuration for vendors. Okay, so go to the transaction code OBA1, and the same way, if we can go to the, then now the key is the transaction key is a KDF. Just double click here, enter the chart of accounts 2525. Since we have already done configuration for GL. Okay, so now let me go to the, click on the next, okay, new entry once again, the same chart of accounts. Now here what we have to go, what we have to give here is a vendor reconciliation account. Okay, what is the reconciliation account? Let us see here. So SC16 N, then LFB1. Let me give the company code 25. Let me execute here, so that we will come to know here we have two vendors are there. For these two vendors, GL account assignment. Here are there. So this is the reconciliation account. So this reconciliation account we have to map into the, for the foreign currency revaluation. So what I did here is a sundry creditors. Okay, sundry creditors. Then last account, coming to the last account, the same GL accounts which we can use here. Then 95, then 395 here, 30095. Then last one is a balance sheet adjustment here. Enter, save it. Most of the cases we have to do the configuration like this only. Okay. Then once this will be done, now let us continue the our further steps. Then what we have to do, assign GL accounts to the in the valuation. Once that will be done, then what we have to do? So we have to do the next one is a, then maintain translation ratio, maintain exchange rates or translation ratios, maintain or exchange rates. Okay, so exchange rates OB08, OB08 is the transaction code to maintain the exchange rates. OB08. Or else even there is a transaction code, there is a S underscore. Okay, I'll put it here. S underscore ALR underscore S underscore ALR underscore. Okay, sorry, BCE. Okay, BCE underscore 68000174. Okay, either you can use any one these two transaction codes. Okay, let me use, because OB08 is a quite common transaction code. Let me go to, you can see here the same one. Okay, where you are, okay, enter the exchange rates here. Okay, so be careful about while entering the exchange rates, you need to understand clearly. Okay, so now by when you are going to performing the business transaction, let me enter here is a 1st July 24 is my, what would be my exchange, or else we can take it. Okay, if I go to the upbit scenario here, 1st June. Okay, I'll take the same scenarios. Okay, I'll take the same scenarios, same dates, then same exchange rates. I'll take it here. Okay, for our understanding purpose. Enter. Now the exchange rates also 61, 61.5, 59. I'll take it. Okay, first. Okay. I will enter here. Okay, I'll remove this one. Then I'll put it some comments. So 1st of June, what is happened here? Okay, this right. Okay, 1st of June. 1st of June, what we have done? We have purchased. Okay, remember what we are going to do. The moment when we purchased, the exchange rate, this one is a exchange rate. The exchange rate was on 1st of June. Exchange rate the 1st of June. The cost is the exchange rate between INR to Singapore dollars is 61 rupees 1st of June. Okay. So now due date, remember. Okay. So now I'll put it here. Okay. So now this is the month end. Okay. Month end rate. Okay, month end exchange rate is a 61.50. Then 15th of July is a payment date. Remember, payment due, okay, due date. I'll put it payment due date. Okay, clear understanding. Okay, so now date. This one is a date. This one is a business transaction. Business transaction. Now you can see here what we are trying to do exactly. Okay, remember, keep in mind this one, what exactly we are going to do here. Okay, so I will also maintain the same rates into the system. Okay, so now remember the exchange rate between, okay, you need to maintain the exchange rate. Exchange rates between, okay, between SGD to Singapore dollars to INR. Okay, you have to maintain with along with exchange rate between INR in M exchange rate. Okay. Okay. So now the exchange rate what you have to maintain. Okay, I just have given the inputs here. This is the important for you. Okay. So now let's go and I'll maintain the same rates into the system. Dates are important. Please take a note. Dates are very, very important for us now. Okay. So now click on inventories. The exchange rate what I have given M. Okay. The same word I have mentioned here. You can see the exchange rate. Okay. Between SGD to INR. Okay. We have to maintain the rates in exchange rate M. Okay. That is important for us now. Okay. Go to M. Then 1st June 01st valid from, okay, valid from 01, okay, 06 2024 valid from. Okay, so now from currency is a Singapore dollar SGD to INR. Okay, SGD to INR. What is the price which we are expecting? Okay, 61 rupees. Remember, 61. Then the second record maintain M 30th of June 2024. Same SGD to INR. First put the rates here. Then between which one to which one. What is the from and to currency? Then key the rate. What is the 30th June? Is a 61.50. So 61.5. Okay. So now enter. The next one, enter the same record. 16th, I'll maintain. Okay. 15th or 15th of June. Okay. Simple logic. Sorry. 15th of July 07 2024. Same Singapore dollar is a, what is the rate here? 59. Okay. 59. The rate is 59. It is there. Then INR, enter. Sorry, SGD. Okay, so now we have maintained the 3 records here. Remember, okay, just save this one. Let it be the screen open. Okay, once this will be done, what you can do? Let us post to the GL posting. Okay, let me post a business transaction GL. Okay, so now FB 50, either you can use FB 50 or F-02, whatever you want. First, let's go to the company code 2525. It is already exist. Okay, so now let me give the date what we want to give. Okay, I'll give 01/06/2024. Okay, so now here also 01/06/2024. The business transaction which is happened on 1st of June. I'm also giving the same. Then enter. It will be enabled. Okay. So now let's go to the, I'll select one. First, let me select one. The currency, you must have to enter the currency is a ESGD. Remember, so that then only the values will be, the calculation will be correct, SGD. So now the GL account, let me enter here is a, then let's go to the GLs, what we have created. First 00. Okay. So now let us have a look at which GL account to be used here. And also, as you remember, right, we have mapped the GL account 01. Sorry, BA1. Just have a look at this one. If you don't have the clarity here, come back and have a look at here. Okay, you have mapped two things here. One is a 15002. 150105002. Okay, this is, I believe it's a reconciliation account. Then you can see here, come back this one. Okay, which we have mapped. What is the GL account? You can see 100 510. 510 is a 510, you can see Citibank term loan account. This is the account which you have to use here. Okay, so now let me enter the account. So from which account, okay, from which account you want to make the payment? Let me select the account, bank account, right? Okay, so cash. Okay, let me select this account. Okay, this account. Okay, 200. Debit. Okay, this GL account is a debit. Okay, let me enter the amount is a 1 lakh US Singapore dollars. Let me enter the one. Okay, accounts are very important one here. Now loan account. Okay, 100 510. The loan account is a 100 510. So now enter the credit here. This is the credit. Enter the star. Let's see. Okay, remember the date which we have entered is a 1/6/2024. Remember, always before going to post any transaction, you need to compare whether the rate system is deriving correct or not. Enter. Now Singapore dollars, which you can see here. Okay, so now you can see here how system has been converted the amount 1 lakh Singapore dollars into, it has become 61 lakhs. You can see it has become your local currency 61 lakhs. Now, if you let us go to have a look at the exchange rate table. So now is it determined the same rate or not? Exactly the same. 61 rupees, 1 lakh Singapore dollars is equal to 1 lakh Singapore dollars is equal to one SGD is equal to 61 Indian rupees, 61 rupees. Okay, so same, it has become 61 lakhs here. Okay, so now let me go to the document. See, now always if it is a green state, there are no errors. Okay, simulate the document. Now you can also see here somewhere after posting, then we'll see the exchange rate also, which the rate the system has been considered. Let me post a document. Now the document 1 all zeros 36 has been posted. Display the document. Now you can go to header. This I have already shown you. You can see here what is the rate the system. You can see the currency conversion between SGD to INR is at 61. Okay, the exchange rate. How this system should know? Because that rate what we maintained in the system. That is the reason behind that. Okay, so now first we have posted a document into the system. Then let's close this one. Now I would like to post the another document for vendor. Okay, I'll give same 0107, sorry, 0106, sorry, 0106 2024. Otherwise, the calculations will be wrong. Okay, 06 2024. Currency always you can give the currency which you are testing. Okay, yes, GD. Okay, remember, take a note this one. Now, okay, so now let me give this one. Enter. Fine, it's a past date only. So now the date, the terms of payment is a very, very important here. And also because the payment date will be falling in July month. Now, okay, let me give here is a some lakh, 1,20,000 US Singapore dollars. Okay, I haven't given anywhere the exchange rate. Let me vendor invoice in SGD to INR. I'll put it for better understanding. Then 40. Let's say the okay salaries. Okay, let's say the salaries. I'll give the salaries straightforward because which the employees are working in Singapore. For them, we have to pay the salaries. Now, enter. Oh, sorry. That as I mentioned, right? The one thing which I have not selected properly, I have to change that one. First center. The one which I have to change here is a so terms of payment. Okay, 45 days. Let us have a look at 45 days. Which one is the correct one? So that 30 days net it is there. June net 45 days. The terms of payment it is there. Change. $90 days, 30 days. Within 25 days, 30 days, 50 days. Okay, 50 days. If not, then we can use the 50 days. There is 45 days, you can see. Within 45 days, due net. Okay, NT45. This is the standard SAP delivered one. Sorry, NT45, not 60. NT45, I guess. NT45, yes, NT45. Okay, remember this one. This is important for you. System automatically it will calculate the data. See, it is I have changed it. Okay, from 1/6/2024 to it will be calculate net 45 days. Now you can see here 1,20,000 into it. The system has been converted. What is the exchange rate? 1,20,000 into 20,000 into 61. Is it the correct one? That 20,000 into 61. Okay, 773. Okay, 7 crore 32 lakhs here. Okay, 7 crore 32 lakhs here. The same, the system also, which is showing the same 7 to 32 lakhs. That's fine. Simulate, post it. Then go and see the display the document and see the exchange rate which system has derived. You can say 61. Okay, so now we have posted the two documents here. Okay, so now let us go to the valuation. What is the transaction code? FAGL. See, now here is the change point. Okay, so now step number 8. Okay, foreign currency FC revaluation. FC revaluation in ECC 6, the transaction code. Okay, so I'll put it here. foreign currency revaluation. In ECC, the transaction code is a FAGL underscore FC underscore VAL. Okay, so now this was the transaction code. Okay, but now, in S4 HANA, the transaction code, but S4 HANA will put it straightforward. Transaction code is FAGL underscore FCV. Only this is the transaction code in S4 HANA system. Okay, FAGL FC underscore VAL. Okay, they just have removed that one. Now this is the transaction code. Okay, so now let's go to FAGL underscore FCV. Okay, so now you can say foreign currency revaluation. But also you need to understand here what is the change point as compared with the ECC system. Now you can see here the simulation run. Okay, this is the separate concept which has been introduced in S4 HANA, simulation run. Okay, there is a simulation ledger, different concept it is there. I do not want to mix up both the things, because if I can start explaining about this one, you people will get confused. So that is the reason I do not want to touch this one at this moment. But going forward, I will explain you what does it mean by the simulation ledger and how it is going to work. Okay, remember that one. Then let us give the company code as a 2525. Valuation area, you can see. So what is the valuation area which we have defined? If you remember the 25 which we have defined, 25. Okay, valuation area for 2525. Okay, select this one, valuation area. The date is a very, very important one. You can see the system is deriving, because now I have posted the documents on 1st of June. As part of month-end activity, I must have to run the foreign currency revaluation. Okay, month-end rate, and I have to perform the revaluation run as part of month-end activity every month. Okay, so now 30th 6 2024. Now come down here, just give the, okay, so now date it is coming, determine automatically. Then don't select anything here. Okay, then determine automatically, select this one. Key date valuation area we have given. Okay, the date you can see, you can just observe here one more thing. The date, document date when you would like to perform. Then reversal posting document, when system is going to reverse the same documents. As I mentioned, the first day of the next month will get reversed. Okay, this is the last day. This is the last day of the month, first day of the month. Okay, take a note. Then now don't select update run at this moment. Okay, in case you can see here, use batch input session instead of ECS. Okay, don't use any batch input session. If you want batch input session name, okay, you can just select this one. But batch input session will be generated. Okay, but the name somewhere it is there, but we'll see that one. Okay, just go to the open item subledger. So the open item subledger, which you can see here, subledgers are nothing but your vendor customers. Okay, in one place, no need to give multiple vendor accounts. Okay, or multiple customer accounts. Which one is applicable here? You can see if the vendors are applicable here, you can just select the vendors and key the vendor numbers. Okay, what you wanted to key here. Don't give the reconciliation accounts here. Okay, since you have mapped here is a vendor reconciliation account. But now don't give reconciliation accounts. I'll give you the range. Okay, so 1 to 999, because the vendors might be the number will be falling under this range only, right? Okay, I will give this range 10 digits. This should be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so because we do not have the customers, evaluate customers, so I am not keying any customers here. Then go to the open item GL accounts, which you want to perform revaluation for GL accounts, because this is for vendor customer, this is for your GL account. So select the one. Okay, then key the GL account. Okay, so now the GL account also, which you can key here, the GL account loan. Okay, so the GL account, what is the account is a, where is that loan account, right? This is the account which I have to key over there. Okay, account which I have given here. Even apart from that, there are many things. Do not evaluate GRIR clearing account. This is something different. GRIR we will not discuss now. It will be part of your integration, MM and FI integration. Now, GL account balances, nothing to be required. Output, then just this is the information purpose only. Now, okay, once keyed all the required inputs, you can see here it is in test run only. I am not at running production run. So in the test run, I'm just testing whether the system is picking the documents or not, whether the system is evaluating or not. Okay, don't select update run at this moment. Then let's go and execute here. Let's see what system. You must specify file name for the valuation method. Where is this one? You must specify file name for the valuation method. Valuation reset, is this the one? You must specify file name. Is this? Okay, I think we have to give the reversal reason. I just took auto reversal, return, accrual and deferral. No, not that one. Second. You must specify file name for the valuation method. File name not specified for the valuation method, and runtime parameter. File name must be entered in the storage valuation. Enter the valid file name.
Bhaskar, I think you need to go to the output or technical settings.
Yeah,
It is looking for the batch input session name.
batch,
Normally,
but
yeah.
batch input session, I haven't selected that one, the batch input
Can
session.
you go to output or technical settings?
See that one. See that one. Display the selections. The customer line items balances GL. Section. Okay, let me use the batch input session. Let's see what it will say. I think this is the one. Okay. This one we have to select. Okay, use the batch input session. So now the name, whatever you want, you can give. The name I'll give even my name also. Okay, so FAGL, I'll give 2525 company code. Okay, this was missing. Okay, we have to select. This is the one. Enter. Okay, still I am in test run only. Execute. Now it will, you must specify a file name for the valuation method. File name is already given. Batch input session is already given, but still why it is not specify a file name. Output. Okay, let me check here in this output. Output log. Okay. File name is File name for extract. Let me try. Not sure, but why this error is getting? Let me try now. I think that is the one only in the output technical settings. The file name, okay, we have to key, but this is the batch input session also we have to key. Okay, let me execute. Still, I am running in test run only. Let's see what it will say. Okay, due to generation, okay, the program need to be restarted. Okay, fine. It is restarted. Okay, test run. Let me give, I will not give any batch input session now. Let's see what system will say. Then let's go to the open items. Target, I don't want to give target, but let's see. Now you can see here. Okay. So now batch input session, I do not want to select the batch input session. Okay. So now there are 5 error messages. You can see as soon as don't think that, okay, that the values which are fetched here, but still you can see there are 5 error messages. But what are the messages? We have to rectify. Okay. First, let us see the documents. Okay. How system is functioning, the document, how system is calculating. See now document number 1, which is related to your vendor posting. Then 7 crore 32 lakhs what we have seen. But now the rate which you can see here, the rate which has been derived is a 61.50. Okay. So now the difference, you can see the new difference here. Okay. Let me put it into the Excel sheet. Okay. What we have done for the purchases. Okay, purchases on 1st of June, vendor, I'll put it here is a vendor. First, let us see the vendor. Okay, vendor, how many US dollars is a 1,20,000 Singapore dollars, right? 1,20,000 into 60. 7 crore, 1,20,000 or something else, because it's 7 crore 32 lakhs. I think more than that, 1,20,000. Okay, 1,20,000.
No, it's
Okay,
73 lakhs 20,000.
Sorry, 73 lakh 20,000. Yes, got it. Sorry, 73 lakh 23,000. Okay, month end rate also I'll give the same. Okay, month end, what I'll do, 1 second. See now, this is the rate. Okay, so now what is the different? We just forget about the payment date. The difference, let us calculate the difference. Now, current price. Okay, current price minus purchase price. Now you can see what is the same difference. This is the, at the time of purchase, 61 rupees it is there. Now at the time of month end, it has been increased from 61 to 61.5. The difference is a loss. I would say this is the unrealized loss, because you don't know at this moment. Okay, so this is just loss. The case what we are seeing is a loss. Now let us see the same for GL accounts. So the GL accounts here. Okay, GL accounts, what we have done, we have given is a 1 lakh rupees. Okay, sorry, I'll put it here. 1 lakh into 61. Okay, 1 lakh into 61 lakhs. Now I'll calculate the same. You can see here the difference. Let's go to the current price minus 50,000. Okay, this is the loss. Now these values should be reflected in your valuation. For GL value, for GL account valuation, it should be a 50,000 loss. For vendor is a loss should be 60,000. Let us see the same whether the system is calculated or not. You can see 60,000 is a new difference for vendor. Then 50,000 new difference is for the total loss is a, you can see here 1,10,000 rupees. Okay, the same what system has been calculated. So you see now because of the rate. Okay, let us have a look at the errors. What are the errors? See, account 4009 required is a account assignment. Okay, this I am going to explain. Okay, this is the configuration of the OKB9 settings. This I will explain you as part of the controlling. Okay, OKB9, right? I will explain you. Okay, during the controlling at the time of since the cost element. What is the one? 495. 95. Okay, since let me enter the cost center here, because this since it is a cost object, it should be only the cost center to be required. Now this error should go off. Let me execute once again. Now you can see. Now you can see here the error message has been fixed. Now let me go to see now result of okay test documents with error. Okay, without errors, you can say without error posting possible. Valuation date of the document was okay written to the file. Okay, file name, this is the file what system is going to return. Okay, so now nothing is there. Let's go back. Okay, let's go back. Now postings, you can see here, this is a one more thing. How the system is going to posting the accounting documents. Why 4 documents? Can anyone tell why 4 documents here? Hello? Am I audible? Hello?
Yes, Bhaskar, we're able to.
See, there are 4 documents is system is trying to post. I'm asking the question to you people, why the 4 documents?
Reversal is also there, right? For the next one.
Exactly. Yes, you are true, ma'am. Now you can see the document for 60,000. If you can see here, 30th of June, it is posting. It is reversing the same document on 1st of July. Okay, the similar document for 50,000. One is for GL, one is for vendor. Okay, just come back. Then remove the test run, go to the update run. Okay, the once you select this one, it's selected as a update run. Okay, so now let me execute this one. Okay, let me execute this one. Let's see what it will happen. Execute. Now 6 messages which I could see here. Okay, 6 messages, that is fine. Now you can see the documents. What are the documents system was posted? Okay, so now 17039. Let us see the documents into the system. /n FD03 37. Let us see the doc. You can see valuation loss account. Okay, then valuation adjustment. So this is the balance sheet account. You can see one series is a balance sheet. 40095 is a, what is this one? Okay, so the one which we have selected is the expenses account 40095. If we can go and see here, 40095 realize 95, right? Okay, so now unrealized loss account. You can see 40095, 40095. 40095 is unrealized loss account. Unrealized loss. Okay, so now just adjust the if I adjust the GL text so that the I mean you can see the correct proper one, but unrealized loss, whether the GL account, same GL account has been derived or not. Okay, so 40095. Now let's go. The same you can see here. This is a document, right? 37 has been posted on 30th of June. You can see the date, 30th of June. You can see 30th of June. Document date and posting date both are in same data. Now let's go back. 38. Let me give the document number. You can see this has been okay. This you can see first of posting date is the 1st of July. Let's see the what is the date. You can see here posting date. Document date is the 30th. The posting reversal date. You can also see here. You can see here. Okay, so when the document has been posted, who ran this one? Who ran this session? You can see SGD to INR. The similar way, if I go to the /n FB03, the total document, the total list of document I will display here. Today's date, right? Entry date. Okay, entry date I'll give 05/07/2024. Entry date. Okay, let system will fetch the document sequence. So today, these are the documents which are posted here. Okay, but now this is not applicable. Okay, oh sorry, these all the documents are posted today only. Sorry, vendor total 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 documents are posted for FC valuation, reversal posting, valuation, reversal posting. This document is your GL document. This document is your vendor document. Today, what I have posted. Okay. This is how you need to understand. Now let's say there is one more object which is pending, right? Okay, so the foreign currency which I have to make the payment. Okay, so now this is fine now. Okay, so the clearing of, let us see the clearing of the transactions. Okay, so the clearing of the transactions. Let it be. Okay, is this clear, right? If anyone need any clarification, please let me know. Here, if anyone need any clarification, please let me know. Okay, so now let me go back. Okay, let it be the screen. Then I would like to post a documents. Then let's go to first. Let me clear the GL document F-07. Okay, F-07. Now let me give the date is a 15th of July 2024. Okay, let's see the document. Then 2525. Remember that one, 15th of July 2024. Okay, remember is a ESGD. Okay, system should derive. Okay, because the rate which we have maintained in the system is a 15th. Here you can see 15th of July. Okay, this rate now system should derive. Now house bank, from which house bank account you want to make the payment. Okay, you can take a decision. Axis Bank, I remember which we have used this one. Axis Bank. Let me key this one. Axis, right? Okay, this one we have used. The bank account the system will derive. Let me make the payment. Okay, so 1 lakh, right? 1 lakh which we have made the payment. Now let me made some interest. Okay, interest payment or else 30,000. Let me make payment. Now open item. The open item of the bank GL account. The open item of the bank GL account, Citibank. You must select this one. It should have selected as a open item management. You can see then only the system will fetch the data. Then give the GL account, process the open item. It's a warning message since we are posting a document in future data. Today is the 5th of July, but we have given 15th of July. Transaction currency SGD differ from the house bank currency. Okay, so now this house bank which is not allowing. Let me do one thing. because there is a separate GL account for this one. I remember which I have created for postings purpose. One is a cash and bank account that is not yet associated to any GL. Cash and bank. Let me give this GL account straightforward. The system will work. Okay. Yeah, it is accepted now. Okay. So now partial payment. Let me go for the residual. Even I do not want it is optional for you. Okay. Even if you make the partial payment also. Okay. Let's go with the clear payment. Okay. Even we do not want standard payment only. Let's go to the change difference. Let's close the entire amount. Okay. Okay. 1 lakh. 1 lakh USD. Let me remove this one. It will redetermine. Now process the open item. Now 1 lakh was balance. Now 1 lakh I am clearing so that we will have clear understanding. Okay. So now let me document and simulate it here. Okay. So now you can see here. You can see there is a one more entry which is coming into picture. But from where the system is deriving, right? You can see here Singapore dollars on 15th of July. The rate, what is the rate is a 59. That rate, what you can see is a 59. You can also check here 15th of July whether the same rate you have maintained or not. 59 exactly the system is fetching. Okay, if you see into the Singapore dollars, you cannot find the difference. This is the blank only. Okay, this is the blank. Exchange rate difference. Okay, simulate since it is a center and center is blocked for. Okay, 1 second. Okay, since it is a revenue, I'll give the profit center here. Okay, it will accept now. Okay, since it is a revenue for us, I will explain you. Now you can see, if you see here, you don't see the either what is the profit or loss because in Singapore dollars are same. If you click on the display currency, then you can see the moment when you display this one, exchange gain, it is going to hit into the Indian rupees. Indian rupees is a 2 lakhs rupees is a profit for you. Okay, at the time of purchase, the cost is a 61 lakhs. Now, okay, which you have to make the payment, but now the current price is a 50, only the 59 lakhs only. But now the difference between is a 2 lakhs rupees is a gain for you. Okay. So now let me post to the document. See now, if I display the currency Singapore dollars, you don't see. Just keep in mind. Posted the document 150013 has been posted. This is what how the realized gain. Okay, either it could be a realized gain, exchange gain. You can see now clearly. Okay, so now exchange gain, this one is a realized gain. Exchange gain is nothing but your realized gain. You can see the transaction from where it has been derived. Okay, remember. Now for this one, don't run any foreign currency revaluation because it's actual postings which we are performing now. Okay, actual postings. Then /n f dash. Okay, f dash for 53, which I want to make payment to vendor. Okay, now 15th. Okay, make sure that the currency is a SGD. Now I'll give the same because it will again it will create complication. So I don't want to go with this option. Let me go to, okay, what is the vendor? Vendor is a 1,20,000 rupees, right? 1,20,000 Singapore dollars. Vendor invoice. Okay, so now let me select a drop down. So this is the vendor. Let me go for the process open item. It's a redetermining. Okay, 1,20,000 is the amount entered. 1,20,000 is the assigned amount. Both are same. Let me document simulate it. Now you can see again the exchange gain account it is fetching. Again, we don't know what would be the gain amount. Just to display the currency, you can see the 2,40,000 rupees is the gain. We'll see that one. This one also would require is a profit center. Since it's a gain, right? We are gaining. I'll explain you in the Excel sheet. We are gaining the amount. Post it. Now let's go to the here. Let me refresh this one. Okay, so it will fetch the documents which I have posted today. Two more documents will be added. Okay, these two documents are posted. Okay, these two documents, one is a KR and KRKZ documents posted. Okay, I think these two. Okay, sorry, not these two. KZ. Okay, these two only posted 15th of 7, 15th of 7. Okay, now you can let us see here. First one. Now GL document we have posted right here. Now on 15th of July, the payment during the payment, what it is there? It's a unrealized loss, right? Okay, I will add the one more here. I will add one more. Let's see the unrealized, sorry, realized profit, how it has been calculated. So now at the time of purchase is a, I will put some, okay, 1 second. Let me put purchase value and I have not yet entered US dollars, sorry, SGD. SGD is a, this one is a 1 lakh, this one is a 1,20,000. Okay, so now the calculations you can see here. Now this is a SGD. So now during the month end, okay, during the month end after payment, okay, calculation after payment. Okay, so now what is the price? Singapore dollars are the same only, but now price we have to understand. Then 1 lakh into okay 59. Okay, so 59 lakhs which you have to make the payment. Let's see the GL. You have to maintain the, okay, 59 lakhs is the same. Then this one is a, sorry, then 1,20,000 into 59. Now you can see 7,08,000. Oh, sorry, 70,80,000 rupees. Okay, so now the purchase price. Okay, so now what was the price? Okay, if we can compare with this one. Okay, the purchase price and the, okay, so now current price. Okay, so the difference if we can compare here equal to, okay, so when you purchase on 1st of June, okay, I'll put it below, 1st of June, what is the price here is a 73,20,000 current price minus this one under account GL account. Yeah, correct one only. I think it's a wrong. Purchase price Singapore dollar 61, vendor this is a GL account, this one. Month end rate, okay, so it's up and down mentioned or what. Okay, so 1 second, let me go here. 61 lakhs only. Okay, on 61 lakhs, where is the 60? Yeah, exactly this one. Okay, I was doing some wrong calculation. Okay, so now GL, first one is a GL account, right? Current price minus GL account. Okay, now you will come to know this is the realized profit because the month end is from 61 to the rate has gone 59. Okay, for calculation after payment. This is for GL. Okay, so now for vendor is this one minus is this one. 3,000 exactly. Let me go back. Let me check this one. No, it's a 7 lakh. Okay, 73,20,000. Okay, this one. Okay, sorry. This not this one exactly. This one I have to calculate. Sorry, I'm using the wrong one. Minus this one, 73 lakh 20. First I have to use. Okay, so now you can see here the total realized profit is the total realized profit what you got as part of the valuation. The total profit is the total profit is 4,40,000 rupees is the profit here. So now this is your realized profit. This is your realized profit. After making the payment, no valuations to be required. Okay, because this is originally you made the payment, the transactions are hit into your bank account. Okay, so now 2,40,000 is a one. Okay, one is a 2,40,000, another one is a 2 lakhs. This is for your GL. Okay, profit on GL, then profit on vendor. Okay, profit on vendor. So based on this, the system has calculated. These are the things. Okay, so if any queries, please let me know about the foreign currency revaluation. Okay. Okay, so now if there are no queries, then today with this, today I'm going to close accounts receivable concept. Tomorrow I will start accounts payable has been receivable will be started from tomorrow onwards. Okay, so now I'll start the accounts receivable. This is already closed. Then I will start the accounts receivable from tomorrow onwards. Okay, yeah, thank you. See you tomorrow.
Thank you.
Thank you.